Hi, this is Vera Cabero, Transylvania County Schools Instructional Technology Facilitator, and this is a little series of videos on how to use Google Forms and Sheets, and this is a beginner version. So to begin with, I want to answer the question, why would you want to use Google Forms? First of all, they're fast, they're easy to create and use and share. They're accessible from anywhere a student has an internet connection or anyone else, they can access your Google Forms. And they save tons of paper instead of giving all these surveys and tests and quizzes and gathering information on paper. You can do it virtually through Google Forms and save all that paper, save a few trees. Also, they're very versatile. They can be used for surveys. They can be used to collect data that you can then manipulate in the spreadsheet that it dumps the information into. They can be used to give quizzes, and with some additional add-ons, you can make those self-grading quizzes. They can be used to give tutorials where the answer choices of a student gives will determine the next thing that they see. And they can be used for much, much more. The choices are really endless. The great thing about Google Forms is the responses will go straight into a Google spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet gives you all the functionality in the world as far as sorting, filtering the data, graphing information, using formulas to make calculations. It's really only limited by your knowledge and your ability. And Google Forms is constantly improving. Like all Google products, it's a constantly improvement process. And just recently, they've had several new additions to the forms. And so that trend will continue because it is Google after all. So the next few videos in this series will introduce you into how to get started with Google Forms. And I hope they're helpful. Thank you.